iSelectAfrica TV update sawubona mbukeli ngiyakubingelela futhi ngiyakwamukela igama lami ngingusi nenhlahla. Undunankulu KwaZulu-Natal umnumzane Sihle Zikalala noNgizwe Mchunu owayengumsakazi wokhozi FM ozobiza ngoMongameli wamaBhinca sebevulelene amacala emva kwesigameko esenzeke ePeople's Park Moses Mabhida Stadium emcimbini wengoma kazwelonke. Esitatimendeni esikhishwe ihhovisi likaNdunankulu sithe umnumzane Sihle Zikalala uvulele uNgizwe icala lokushaya nokwehlisa isithunzi esiteshini saseDurban Central. Kanti-ke yena uNgizwe ubeke kanje ebuzwa ngalolu daba.
Firstly, for you to start and emphasizing about the Premier opening the case against me, it's also an outed the bias. You are so biased because I was assaulted yesterday, and I did open the case yesterday, and I am the citizen of South Africa, based in KwaZulu-Natal. I was raised with the discipline of high gratitude. I respect and honor the elders, but I have political opinions, and I have the freedom of speech, as everybody knows in this country. Therefore, I'm disappointed you trying to emphasize that the big man has came here to open the case against me. Once, I would like to congratulate the people who have organized Ingoma event. It was not a Mascadi event. It was
Mr. Mchunu, sorry to just disturb you there. I think the gist that we're trying to get is what happened, because I raised the issue, I mentioned the issue of the Premier, because the Premier's office released a statement. So that is their side. We are trying to find out from you what really transpired.
Okay. Firstly, and when I was there at the event, I went there as the president of Bhinca Nation, and everybody knows that I'm the person in charge of the entire Bhinca Nation. I'm their president, and I've done a lot of things. So therefore, there is no event that can ever take place without my presence. I was going there to embrace and bless the event. Then, on my entering into the VVIP area, there was Mr. Ngizwe and other colleagues that you work with, and then when you come with the Premier, then I kneel down as a normal respect that I was raised. I kneel down and then say, "Oh, Baba, and then said, "I was so agit, yeah. What I want to agit? Now go inside. In our language, when you call Ubunzizwa, and it's just expressing your political view, and there's nothing personal. And we laughed according to the Zulu culture, and when people are expressing their manhood or like that, then it's a funny side of it. And then after that, he went inside, and then the event was continuously. When we come back here, and then after maybe an hour or 2 hours or so, then when I was inside, please taking pictures with everyone that are my friends and people, and then I greeted all the chiefs, the more than 10 chiefs that were there, because they were accompanying the king of the Zulu nation. So therefore, and then when I was there, and then he also called me again. There was a MEC Nomakuku Smelane. There was a reality show star wife who's Mama Mimayeni, Mselegu, and other people that I may not recognize, and all the chiefs they were aside. And then what happened there is that when the Premier called me, I went there. In my mind, maybe I thought about the picture or about jokes or about anything. Then I kneel down again as a form of respect of the Zulu. When the elder, when someone occupying a certain position is recognized as an elder, irregardless of age. So therefore, and then he asked me one question. And then I was kneeling down. Noma Kukusumela and MEC of Health is my witness, and other people, and the Chief Pungose and Chief Tombela and other chiefs, they were there. And then when I knelt down to him and then listening to him closely, because there were also some sound, because there is an event. What happened is that he asked me one question, and then when I look at him, although he was sitting, he was extremely drunk. And then, even before I respond, that then Noma Kukusumela and the MEC of Health rise up and say, she was on tears because she knew exactly what the damage that the premier is causing, hitting me in front of everyone, hitting me in public space. Then I was carrying the stick. And then I got an opportunity to hit him back and hard. That what was going to happen. Because now, amongst us, someone has to be superior and think about the rest of the South African people that were there. And it's an unjustifiable situation where we can sell our own people and be killed because of the arrogance and the drunkard that are our leaders.
Mr. Mchunu, the Premier's office has also made allegations that for a very long time you've been hurling insults at the Premier. They are saying that they have videos, you swear at the Premier on videos that you make, you speak badly of his character. You denying these claims, and they are also saying that in fact you are the one who walked into the VIP area and started hurling these insults once again.
Oh, lies, 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 and everywhere is lies. South African people at large, and all the Bhinca nation and all the political organization, including the members of the African National Congress, you must know from today that this leader is a liar and is a drunkard, and I have a freedom of speech. I'm not stupid, as people they can claim. I'm not stupid. Are you speaking to a stupid person? Do you think I'm stupid as I'm standing in front of you? I am not, and you can see it. And this man came and then I greeted him so well, and then knelt down on him, bowing to him and respecting his position in front of everyone. Even the leaders of the province has been calling me. I've been flooded with the calls that after the marvelous event, okay, that he pulled together, and we all went there and bow to the young generation that embracing their culture, and the big men in the province just crush it and destroy it. It's such a shame, and a shame that someone who's so superior in the province can lie about a young man like me and the person that is representing everyone in culture and in the province. Secondly, and I have been having a political opinion against him. That was not personal, that never been personal, and it's not the first time he hitting a person. He hit the child there. What was the child done? The child live on television. In the colleague witnessed that he was hitting on the head. Because now, I can't speak too much because there's still pain here on my chest. And mind you, I'm asthmatic, and I just came from the doctor right now. Can you imagine someone hit me like that and I'm asthmatic? What if I collapse and die? And I got a stick to defend myself. But this was not an element of defense, it's an element of decoration and representing my culture. But I respected him. And mind you, there was an elder people here, including the king of consolidation.
Thank you very much for the time, sir.
And thank you very much, sir. And thank you very much. And I will continue to fight this. And if he opened the case against me while he waited for so long.
Kanti-ke uma siqhubekela phambili mbukeli sikubhekela udaba oluthi umntwana umbonisi usemangalele uMongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ngokugunyaza isilo uMisuzulu ukuba sithathe isihlalo sobukhosi sikazwelithini kaBheka uZulu. Ekhuluma nelinye lamaphephandaba angesonto uveze ukuthi ummeli wakhe usewafakile amaphepha acela inkantolo ukuthi aguqule isinqumo sikaRamaphosa omsola ngokuthi akenzanga kahle ngesikhathi egunyaza isilo. Umntwana umbonisi wendlu yakwaKhwezi ungumfowabo wesilo uZolithini kaBhekuzulu kanti ungomunye waba nombono ohlukile ngokufanele abe yisilo. Kuthe ngenyanga kaMashi uMongameli uCyril Ramaphosa wamemezela ukuthi uMisuzulu kaZolithini yisona silo esifanelwe ukuthi ke singene ebukhosini. Lokho kwenzeke emva kombango obushubile kwesihlalo mayelana nodaba lwamafo oluze lwaphelela enkantolo. Konke kwenzeka nje ngoba sekuphindeke futhi kwahlehliswa ukugcotshwa kwesilo kanti belungakabekwa ke usuku olusha noma ke esizobekwa ngalo. Kanti-ke sikuphethela ngodaba oluthi intokazi uSinesifiso Zondi obewaziwa kakhulu ngokuthi uSihle Bhinca owaziwe kakhulu nomadume ngokuzigqaja ngobuntombi wakhe ubekeke endaweni yakhe yokugcina endaweni yakubo eMnambithi emva kokuthi ebesengozini yemoto nesoka lakhe ngeviki eledlule. Izintombi ebezivunulile ziconsa nazo beziyingxenye yalomngcwabo. Ehlobeni abangani kanye nomndeni sithi alihlanga lungihliyo umoya wakhe sengathi ungaphumula ngokuthula. Izona ngembukelo sikuphathele zona usuku namhlanje sicela uhlangabeze nasenkundleni zokuxhumana Select Africa TV ku Facebook, Twitter and Instagram @SelectAfricaTV. Kanti ke futhi ungakhohlwa ungena kwe-page lethu ku YouTube, ulike, usubscribe uphinde futhi ucommente. Mina nginguSinenhlanhla, le iSelect Africa TV.